The ocean is a vast, dynamic ecosystem, and we all share a responsibility in protecting it for future generations.
The problems that we see with different debris in the ocean is expansive, and I love the ocean. I'm a surfer, I'm a diver. It's really where I put my heart and my energy. And I feel very strongly to protect what I love, which is what Jacques Cousteau has always told us: we protect what we love.
That's why the plastic industries of the American Chemistry Council support efforts to understand sources of marine litter and search for answers to important questions. How is litter getting into the marine environment? How is it affected and distributed by currents? How does marine debris interact with ocean ecosystems?
Look, we're all citizens of the same planet. You know, we live here. We have families. We enjoy the beach. And each of us benefit from the products that come from the ocean, whether it's the food we eat, new and innovative medicines, or scientific discoveries that will make life on land safer and longer. We need the ocean, and we need the benefits that the ocean provides. So trash in the ocean is unacceptable, and we believe as corporate citizens that we have a role to play in making sure that our products don't end up there.
Over the past few years, plastic makers have funded efforts to study major focus areas of marine litter. In 2006, the ACC partnered with the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation to study microscopic debris and plankton samples. In 2009, through a donation to Ocean Futures, we helped support Dr. Andrea Neal and other researchers during their work on Project Kaisei's first expedition to the Pacific Gyre.
The questions we wanted to address is what's happening with debris out in our open ocean environments. Are we having an impact on the total ecosystems? Are we having an impact on carbon cycling? Are we having an impact on surface water chemistries? And how is that impacting us in turn?
On the East Coast in 2010, the ACC supported the Sea Education Association expedition to study the North Atlantic Gyre. The 33-person crew sailed for 35 days, extending more than 1,000 nautical miles east of Bermuda.
SEA's historical data set extends about 500 miles east of Bermuda. We're trying to get 1,500 miles out to the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, which is the dividing line between Europe and the United States. So trying to get past the Mid-Atlantic Ridge and make plastic measurements or trawl the surface of the ocean over that whole region. We did tows 6 times a day. These are half-hour tows, and we ended up doing something almost 200 tows and processing over 50,000 samples.
Both expeditions had the same thing in common. They were serious, science-based efforts to study marine litter. Plastic makers are a proud partner in solutions-focused approaches and offer technical expertise and resources to help find answers.
What the ACC provided was, in part, development of the website, but also the tools to get multimedia content off the boat and to shore. And in the past, this has been a very difficult proposition using satellite phones and satellite data transmissions.
Research is going on all over the world in every major institute that is supported by industry. A lot of people don't know that because they aren't integrated into how finances work in the university systems. But a lot of my work, a lot of my colleagues' works, a lot of institutions would not exist without industrial support.